Welcome to Everbloom's Asana Tip of the Month 2025. So, what I'm going to talk about is there have been some uh, updates that Asana has done in December of 2024. And one of those is your notifications. Now, we talk about this a lot in our Asana training, where people want notifications at first, but then sometimes you want to turn them off. What they've done here is you're going to come into your settings by obviously clicking on your profile here, and then you're going to click notifications. And if you scroll down, you'll see email notifications. Now, this has changed a little bit. Asana has really broken this up, so it gives you flexibility on what you want to see, what you don't want to see, the updates that you want to get, the communication you're getting, and also the emails that you're getting as well. So I would really encourage you this year to come in here and take a look at what you do want notifications for, what you do want updates on, and what you don't. I would also come in here throughout the year and decide, is that really what you still want to get notifications for? As you know, you can come in here to project notifications. You'll get updates here. You can also manage individual projects that you are a collaborator on that you're getting notifications for as well. If you're using portfolios, you can also manage your notifications here. But again, I would come in here and really decide what you want notifications and emails for in your Asana organization so that you do not get overwhelmed. That's it. Until next time.